Hey yo, Tracy, what the fuck is that? Hey Slime, turn that shit on.
Pull the truck up and park it. Bag it into the spot. Keep your shot, keep your mouth shut about a lot of shit. Don't you tell nobody that I told you to bring me this shit right now. Bring it at 4 in the morning right now. I don't sleep, I stay up till 8 in the morning every damn day. My baby mama can't stand that shit, but the crackheads love me. They love the way I cook the crack up in the pot. They love that a nigga don't go to sleep for real. They know I'm pull up at any time for real, but shit been going on in the trap for real. You gotta pull up to a certain spot to get straight. Hit my young nigga phone, he'll get you right. I can't keep my face in a lot of shit right now. I got a lot of shit going on for real. My lawyer just called me and told me it's getting real. I've been paying niggas since 18 for real. Retainer fee ain't shit to a nigga like me. 100,000 ain't shit, I'm being real. 100,000 all pills, man, for real. I sell anything that you can think about. It's pills, Molly, shrooms, hard, perks. I got acid, that's for sure. Anything that's coming in, I get it on for sure. Ice in the bowl, still get it out the bowl. Heroin, dog food, you know a nigga like me. Touch anything that make profit for sure. Long as I ain't working on nobody clock for real. I ain't worked in the last 15 years. Before I punch me a clock, I hit me somebody up. I'm being real, I got too much shit stashed up. Hit a spot and pull some money out the shoebox. Hit a spot and pull some money out the ground. So many trucks parked and I got them backed up. Compartments in my car.